Hi, and welcome to a little behind the scenes video for our mini holiday parade. What we're going to go through right now is the process of how we created the first two mini holiday parades, because this year we are doing something entirely different, and because of that, I feel like we can kind of reveal what went on behind the scenes for these previous entries in the parade series. The first thing that we had to work on was a location for the mini parade. So I went to Downtown Globe because we knew that downtown had to be a part of it, and I started scouting out the buildings. We ended up choosing VD Cafe with the church in the background because it was a really nice corner with a very flat edge, and when we went back at nighttime to get photos for our printouts, the cars were basically everywhere downtown except that strip. We took some reference photos, actually a lot of reference photos, different angles, different places. We tried to find basically the best top-down view of the street that we could, and we took all of those files and then I put them into Photoshop and kind of created what I was hoping to do, which was to create 3 different flat panels and then just arrange them in a way so that perspective made it look like it was a 3D scape of downtown. So after we did a little test on paper to see if the idea was good enough, then we needed to figure out a scale for our floats. So I took my iPhone with the kind of augmented reality measurement app. But the first thing I did is I measured my car because I figured that that would be a good gauge for how large a float would be, how large a trailer would be. Then the second thing that I did is I took a picture of VD Cafe. I took a planter outside of Vida and I measured that, and then I put the whole full-scale picture into Photoshop. I copied the little planter box and I just duplicated it all the way up the side of the building. And so I believe it was 4 feet for the planter, and I duplicated it 9 times to get to the top of the building. So 4 times 9 equals 36. I took a tissue box and I measured that, and that came out to 9 inches. I realized I could do about 1 inch for every foot. That was a perfect starting place for our parade floats, was to be the size of a tissue box. And that was it. I had 3 panels and I set them up to create the final parade footage you see online. It is all just edited footage. So we pulled the floats through. It didn't matter the timing because we cut out any of the spots that were pretty boring. We had 2 people watch that footage and do commentary over it while we filmed them, and then we put it back into our editing program and just put those 2 things together. So for our upcoming winter workshops, we're basically redoing all of this. So yeah, we're doing it in person. We're going to do it at High Desert Middle School. We're going to film everything. We're going to build everything. We're going to act out everything. And then we are going to post the video of it all on our YouTube channel, and it'll premiere on December 17th. Thank you for watching.